Welcome to the Blizzard Ice Cave! Brrr! I'm freezing!
I heard there was a Yeti lurking in these ice caves.
There's no such thing as a Yeti.
Whoa!
Look out! It's a Yeti snowball trap! Let's go! And now for our first matchup!
Demo Derby.
Shark Creek!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
What a start! Demo Derby flips into a somersault to take the win, while Shark Creek goes ice fishing.
Drive it like you stole it.
5 alarm! Loco Punk!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Wait, what's this? Loco Punk gets spooked by the Yeti and trips into the snow canyon. And 5 Alarm saves his way into the next round.
Coming in hot.
Oh, y'all!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Slip and slide! Bone Shaker fires out of the cave and flips onto a victory, while Hall Y'all loses its lunch on the ice.
Thrash and smash!
Invader! Pure muscle!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Close one! Pure Muscle is tire to tire with Invader out of the cave, but takes the lead over the frozen pond to skid into the next round.
Flex on him!
Rhinomite! Piranha!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Yeti attack! Looks like Piranha gets tripped up by the Yeti monster and spins out over the icy pond, which lets Rhinomite roll on to the next round.
Horns out!
Mega Rex! Dairy Delivery!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh, wow! Did you see that? It's a comeback! Mega Rex slips up on the ice to blow its lead, and Dairy Delivery scoots on.
Cowabunga!
Shark!
Snake Bite!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Wow, that was close! Tiger Shark pounces on Snakebite over the jump and slides on 4 wheels into the next round.
Fear the frenzy.
Bigfoot!
Radical Racer!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Foul on the play! Bigfoot tries to pull a fast one and jump Radical Racer's lane, but Radical Racer gets the last lap and sends Bigfoot stomping home empty-handed.
Stick him in the gutter.
And we're on to round 2. Whoa! Look out!
I can't wait to shred this powder. Oh, yeah!
Watch your speed. That ice gets dangerous in these conditions.
Demo Derby versus 5 Alarm.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
5 Alarm goes down, and Demo Derby takes it. 5 Alarm slips up in the ice cave and ends up on the Yeti's dinner table.
Watch your speed!
You may bring the muscle, but I'm bringing the heat!
My bones are shaking. Let's see what you got.
Bone Shaker versus Your Muscle.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
What the? Whoa! Ah! I cannot believe it! We gotta see that again! Both trucks launch at the same time and wipe out at the same time. But Bone Shaker spins on the ice and skates backwards to the next round. Wow! That is wild!
Dash and smash!
Listen up. Mess with me, and you get the home. You'll be crying over spilled milk when I'm done.
Dynamite versus Dairy Delivery.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Milkman down! Dairy Delivery takes a major spill into the snow canyon, and Rhino Mike catches big air over the ice. Rhino, where he's going? Straight to the semis!
Horns up!
I'm hungry for the Titan Cup, but I smell a rat.
Yes, that would be me, and I smell victory.
Tiger Shark versus Radical Racer.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Yard sale! The Yeti monster strikes again and sends Radical Racer into the snowy gutter. Tiger Shark is unfazed and skates into the semifinals.
Yeti or not, here I come!
It's time for the semifinals. And the Yeti has a snowball trap.
Bone Shaker, my buddy. Let's smash this snowflake course.
We can be friends after I win the Titan Cup.
Someone's in a bad mood.
Demo Derby versus Bone Shaker.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Avalanche! Demo Derby and Bone Shaker blast through the Yeti snowball trap, but Demo Derby is able to stunt and style his way into the finals.
If you were having fun, you may have won.
I'm gonna stampede my way to the finals.
Just don't start another avalanche.
Dynamite versus Tiger Shark.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Ice cold! The trucks are neck and neck through the ice cave, but Rhino Mite takes the brunt of the avalanche, and Tiger Shark wheelies through the finish to rub it in.
Swimming to the championship.
Well, folks, this is it. Our trucks have conquered the icy peaks and have escaped the Yeti monster without a scratch. All that's left is the Titan Cup. Demo Derby versus Tiger Shark.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Go. That's it. It's all over. Demo Derby and Tiger Shark battle for position through the cave, but Tiger Shark's fangs get frozen and wipes out before the finish. Demo Derby finally breaks through to win the Titan Cup!
Yes, drive it like you stole it. Oh yeah!
Well, Demo Derby, you really crushed it out there today.
Finally! I just kept sending it down the ice. I was ready for any challenge the Yeti monster threw at me.
You could say you really had ice in your veins. All right, trucks, let them rip. Slipping and sliding everywhere. Well, that's all for today, race fans. Tune in next time to the Tournament of Titans. Demo Derby takes a big lead over.
It's moving so fast I can barely keep